everyone, my name is Gerald and welcome back to my channel, Las Vegas Motor Speed. Good morning, America. Today it's February 5th, 2025, day of Wednesday. The weather's so windy today. Before I start this video, I would like to shout out all my viewers and subscribers, our new subscribers. Thank you so much. For those who haven't been subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button and notification bell so you will be notified of my latest vlog. So today we're going to talk about my modification or any installation in this vehicle from the exterior and interior as well. I will show you one by one and stay tuned.
Later.
Hello everyone, so the first modification that I did, as you recall on my recent video, you can play back, I did a front splitter carbon fiber install, and also I did put this sticker or decal on my installation. And the second one is the radiator grill to protect the radiator. And then I installed this to add more looks or accent on my car, but this one is more protection. And the second one that I install, it's an accessory, just add more accent on my or looks on my vehicle. So I did put a red valve cap cover. The original one was just a plastic, so I bought this from AliExpress. It's pretty solid and it looks good. The third one is this badge of America. It's American flag. Look, it does add more looks on your vehicle. I put it on the middle. Okay, so let's go to interior. The next one that I installed is the interior lights, which is the LED strips. So it has 4 strips, and there's another one here at the bottom, if you can see, and that adds more looks in my vehicle, especially at night. I love the aqua blue light when I turn on the vehicle. And then the other one is another flag here. I put a emblem, American flag, and of course my Sonic right there and my Pikachu. They're more on anime side. I love those characters. And then the other one is my radar detector. So before, way back, I would say 2013 or 14, I had my first sports car, which is 2008 Mazda RX-8. I had those radar detector before, and I still have it. Just reminds me about my first sports car, Mazda RX-8. So that's the interior modification that I did. And the last one is my engine bay LED lights. So you can see all the installation process on my previous video. These are the LED wireless chargeable with remote, and they actually changed to a different color, and they have a strobe light mode, which is pretty cool. It looks pretty bright at night. It shines up my engine bay, adds more look on my car as well. Hello everyone, I'm back. Welcome back to my channel, Las Vegas Motor Speed. Once again, this is Gerald, and that ends our video for today. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my latest or updated vlog. Shout out all again to my subscribers and viewers and new subscribers as well. And shout out all the Corvette owners here in the United States and all over the world. We'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.
It's caught in the crossfire.